Happy Wednesday, scientists! We are exploring and recognizing that a mixture is created when two materials are combined. This is the standard we have continued throughout this week. Today you will complete slides 4 through 9 in your Mixtures Science Lesson keynote that you've been working on this week. Slide 4 is writing about your reading. The reading I'm talking about is the reading that you completed on slide 2 yesterday. If you would like, you may go back to my video from yesterday and listen to me read it to you, or you can simply read slide 2 again as a refresher. You are being asked to define keywords from your reading. Those keywords are mixture, substance, and separate. You're going to type the definition here. Those definitions are given in here. They are hidden in here. I want you to use your context clues, but they are here for the words separated, substances, and mixture. Then you're going to write a summary using the keywords from your reading. So a summary, in case you don't remember from second grade or perhaps you did not learn what a summary is, basically you are telling what you learned from your nonfiction reading here on slide 2, and you are giving the main idea of what you learned from that. Then you will complete an anchor chart in slide 5. Okay, I want you to pretend you're like a teacher and you're showing this really cool anchor chart poster. Okay, so you're going to explain examples of different mixtures. You could get creative and add pictures here as well. You're going to write the definition of a mixture here. That can be found on slide 6 if you would like. You also need to put a list of different ways to separate mixtures. Again, you could refer back to slide 2 or other previous learning you had from Monday and the Scholastic Study Jams video, but you should have a list of different ways to separate a mixture. Then you should write about what you see before here and what you notice after, how it's separated. Slide 6, scientists, I want to point out to you, it says to print this page and make vocabulary flashcards. You do not, I repeat, you do not have to print this page and make vocabulary flashcards. You absolutely can, but it is not a requirement. It is just here so that you can see the definitions of these words, so that you can complete slides 7 through 9 successfully. So, in slides 7 through 9, it is a real deep dive into these important vocabulary words, scientists. So, for this word mixture, you will write the definition in your own words here. Make sure you're using complete sentences, capitalization, punctuation where you need it, because you are a big third grader. You're going to use the word in a sentence to explain the word. You're going to illustrate it so you can find a picture online that represents the word mixture, or you can even draw one. You're going to give 3 examples of different mixtures here. And then this one says write 1 test question using this word. This is like you are a teacher and you're going to pretend that you have a test on mixtures or on this word that is here. What would you ask a student to know about mixtures? So you might type, what happens when you try to separate Lucky Charms in a bowl? Can you separate it? Is it a mixture or is it a solution? That's just one example. I want you to think of a test question for the word mixture. You're going to do the exact same thing that you did here for the word substance and for separate. Scientists, this should take time. Okay, science is an hour long. It is 10:55 to 11:55. So I know that these are a lot of slides and I know that you need to put in your best effort, but you have a full hour and that is plenty of time to do your best work. So we should not see any work just super quickly completed, just rushing through. It should be evident, okay, and obvious that you have worked hard and you have done a thorough job of writing in complete sentences and typing well. Okay, scientists, we can't wait to see how much you learned today. Have a wonderful Wednesday.